Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is assignment number 4. It is you have received the assignment number 4. Now how you will do the assignment? Here is the instruction for doing the assignment. Let's start our today's topic. Here it is lecture number 9, okay, annual term, assignment number 4. Here you have gotten the task. What you have to do, you have to write an article within 300 words. Make an article within 300 words following the lifestyle of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam and Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, and you have to follow the aspects to be followed in individual life. So what should you follow? The aspects of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam in the individual life. What should be followed? What should be we followed from their life? Okay. So you have to write an article on 300 words, and it will be chapter from chapter number 5, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. You will get this discussion about Sulaiman alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam here are given in your book, and you have to follow all the hints. Of course you have to fill up all the hints from here 1 to 4. Okay, dear students, here are given the instruction. Before going to instruction, I would like to describe it here. The importance of standard biography lessons. Okay, what is the importance of this biography lesson? A list of the qualities of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam to be followed. So you have to make a list of these qualities, some like this, from this, following these things. List of the various miracles in the life of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. So miracles of Musa alayhi salam should be over there. So here third point should be there. All the point answers should be over there. Understand? The students, lessons learned from the biography of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. What lesson should we take from the biography of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam? You have to write it in your own language with the help of this. Okay, of course you have to answer all these things, and our instruction are given here. How you will do the assignment right here over there. During the vacation of the puja, you have to do this assignment number 4. Here are hints, here are lessons are given for you, and here some HW also. You know it is you have received it is lecture number 8. In lecture number 8, HW number 7, what you have received in HW, that this is the same HW of vacation HW, right? The identity of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. It is the vacation HW also, and during this vacation you have to do this HW and this assignment. Dear students, if you don't understand anything, you can ask me during the live class, or you can message me. Okay, dear students, hope you will understand and you will do the assignment nicely. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.